Sync folders automatically on Windows without extra software.
Learn how to use built-in Windows tools to keep your folders in sync, completely free and with no need to install downloads. This guide walks you through practical steps for hassle-free, automatic folder syncing. Perfect for backups, work documents, or sharing files between devices, all using what's already included in your Windows system.
Why sync folders on Windows?
Syncing folders ensures your important files are always up to date and accessible. Whether you work from multiple computers or want an automatic backup, syncing prevents data loss and saves time. By using Windows built-in tools, you avoid cluttering your device with unnecessary programs, ensuring efficiency and security without extra cost.
Get to know Robocopy.
Robocopy is a powerful command line tool built into Windows. Short for Robust File Copy, it allows you to copy files and folders reliably, with options for mirroring, skipping unchanged files, and automating the process. Robocopy can handle complex sync tasks quickly, making it the ideal solution for syncing folders without extra software.
Setting up a Robocopy sync script.
To automatically sync folders, you'll create a simple script with Robocopy. Open Notepad and type Robocopy source folder path, destination folder path, /mirror. Replace both paths with your actual folder locations. The /mirror switch mirrors the source and destination, keeping them identical. Save the file with a .bat extension, like syncfolders.bat, so it runs as a batch script.
Making folder sync automatic with Task Scheduler.
Automate your sync script using Windows Task Scheduler. Open Task Scheduler, choose Create Basic Task, and name it. Set when to run the sync, daily, weekly, or at logon. In Action, select Start a Program and browse to your .bat script. Finish the setup, and your folders will now sync without manual effort, right on schedule.
Tips and best practices.
Always verify your script works as intended before automating. Test it with sample folders to avoid accidental data loss. Use the /log option in Robocopy if you want a record of sync activity. Regularly check that syncs are completing successfully. Automatic folder syncing with built-in tools is efficient, safe, and saves valuable time when done correctly.